Hello and welcome to my channel. This is my version of how to attach some boxes to a motorbike. It doesn't matter if they're Ortlieb or not, but you want to get this onto there like that. Well, this is how it's done. You just get a rail out of steel, preferably galvanized steel. Then you heat up metal and you make these hooks, which you then weld on. Well, basically anyone can do that. That's very easy. Then you have pop rivets with threads inside. You can also cut thread into the metal. Okay, here's what you do. You just punch the holes into the bags, push that through, screw that on, and that's it. And this is what it looks like. Here we just did normal screws, and what is very important is this hook has to come against here so it doesn't come down and it doesn't come back, and this one is right on the edge here so that it also does not go down and does not go forward. So you see what I mean? Here it doesn't go back and forth. So there you go. That's probably the lightest and best way of fixing your boxes to the motorbike.